When planning a home upgrade, homeowners in Sumter often look for improvements that deliver beauty, performance, and long-term value. One of the most impactful upgrades you can make is installing replacement doors. Far more than simple entry points, today's replacement doors are engineered to enhance comfort, safety, curb appeal, and energy efficiency. Whether you are updating your entry door, sliding patio door, or French doors, choosing high-quality replacement doors in Sumter provides a wide range of benefits that support both your lifestyle and property value. Enhanced energy efficiency for year-round comfort. Sumter homeowners know how hot summers and chilly winters can affect indoor comfort. Older or worn-out doors often develop gaps, cracks, or weak seals, allowing conditioned air to escape. Replacement doors are designed to eliminate these problems. Modern insulated cores, advanced weather stripping, and energy-efficient glass packages help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. This improvement reduces the workload on your heating and cooling systems, which can lead to noticeable energy savings. Whether you're upgrading to fiberglass, steel, or insulated vinyl, a new replacement door helps you keep your home comfortable in every season while lowering utility costs. Increased security and peace of mind. Your doors play an essential role in protecting your home and family. Outdated doors can weaken over time, making them vulnerable to forced entry. Replacement doors offer advanced security features that provide peace of mind. Reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, stronger materials, and impact-resistant glass options greatly improve your home's defense. For homeowners in Sumter looking to enhance safety without compromising style, new doors provide an ideal solution. With modern designs that balance strength and elegance, you can enjoy the perfect blend of protection and beauty. Improved curb appeal and style options. Your front door is one of the first elements people notice about your home. A stylish replacement door can dramatically elevate your curb appeal and give your property a refreshed, modern look. Today's doors come in a wide variety of colors, textures, and finishes, allowing you to select a design that complements your home's architecture. Whether you prefer classic wood-grain fiberglass, sleek contemporary steel, or decorative glass inserts, the customization options are nearly endless. This makes it easy to create a welcoming entryway that reflects your personality while increasing the perceived value of your home. Better functionality and reduced maintenance. Older doors often swell, warp, or stick, especially in humid environments. These issues can make daily use frustrating and lead to the need for frequent repairs. Replacement doors are built using durable, weather-resistant materials that resist warping, fading, and cracking. Fiberglass and steel doors, in particular, require very little maintenance and can withstand years of exposure to Sumter's climate. With improved hinges, stronger frames, and better hardware, your new door will open and close smoothly for years to come with minimal upkeep. Higher home value and return on investment. When it comes to home upgrades that provide strong financial returns, replacement doors consistently rank among the best investments. A modern, attractive entry or patio door can boost your home's resale value and appeal to potential buyers. Homebuyers often prioritize energy-efficient features and updated exteriors, making your new door a standout selling point. Even if you're not planning to sell soon, you'll enjoy the long-term value your new door brings. Enhanced indoor natural light. If you're replacing patio doors or choosing an entry door with glass inserts, you can significantly improve the natural light inside your home. Brighter indoor spaces feel more inviting, more spacious, and more comfortable. Modern glass technology also ensures that additional sunlight doesn't compromise energy efficiency or privacy. Upgrading to replacement doors in Sumter is one of the smartest and most impactful ways to improve your home. From energy savings and increased security to stylish design options and long-lasting durability, the benefits are clear. Whether you want to boost curb appeal or enhance everyday comfort, replacement doors offer a valuable upgrade that delivers results you can enjoy for years.